Okay, and added another accessory to my custom 74. It's a bugle horn, not vintage, it's not new, it's probably at least 10 years ago. But anyways, I figured I'd put it on here. I got everything else, got electric horn there, got a bugle horn here. Anyways, doing a little detail here. I keep my bikes clean. Really windy outside, so not a good day for me to bicycle ride, go against the wind, but there'll be other days. I just came here to get some other things done and put that bugle horn on there. And I'll take it out again to make a second public appearance. Love that brake. I don't think I'll see another bike that would do the same thing like I did. Never know though. Low union hubs are hard to find. I'm glad that one's NOS because it kind of goes with the rest of the aspects of the bike, especially the back Bendix. That's been restored. It looks NOS, nice polished out. Got the little tag on there. Yep. All these bikes are my favorites. I really don't have a favorite one, but this bike here has a lot of charm to it.